the master show you how to get it done.
So now you've seen how I used to lift and how I lift now. This also goes for the clients that we train over here at AeroFit. More control, working at a tempo, greater range of motion, better mind-muscle connection. This is all gonna make sure that you build more muscle and you lose more body fat. Metabolic cost is gonna be higher, and trust me, your joints are gonna thank you when you start to view weightlifting through this lens. That's it. I will see you in the next video.